In today's episode, we will shift gears and explore the exhilarating world of electric sports cars. These cutting-edge vehicles are redefining the concept of high-performance driving while embracing sustainability. Get ready to dive into the technical specifications, driving performance, and current prices of these electrifying machines as we unveil our top picks. As the global push for sustainable and eco-friendly transportation gains momentum, electric sports cars have emerged as a sought-after choice, particularly for thrill-seeking drivers. These cars offer a host of advantages that set them apart from their traditional counterparts. The most significant difference lies in their electric motors, which provide instant torque, enabling them to accelerate rapidly. In contrast, sports cars with internal combustion engines need time to build up power. Not only do electric sports cars deliver thrilling performance, but they also contribute to energy savings and lower maintenance costs, making them a compelling option for many car enthusiasts.
This is Auto Aficionados, sharing with you exciting news and info on the latest vehicles and finest luxury cars. This is your host, Roxanne, and welcome back to the show.
Ranking at number 5 is the Kia EV6 GT, the esteemed recipient of the 2023 World Performance Car title. Its dual electric motors deliver an impressive 576 horsepower and 545 pounds-per-foot of torque. Available in both all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive trims, power is seamlessly transmitted through a 1-speed automatic transmission. With its rapid acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.4 seconds, this car offers an exhilarating driving experience. On top of its impressive performance, it boasts a maximum range of 310 miles, providing ample driving freedom. The Kia EV6 GT is not just a performance powerhouse. It also turns heads with its striking exterior design. Featuring eye-catching neon green monoblock calipers and 21-inch alloy wheels, this electric sports car commands attention on the road. Inside the cabin, you'll find a flat-bottom sports steering wheel that enhances the car's athletic character. The GT bucket seats perfectly blend lightweight construction, sporty aesthetics, and exceptional comfort, ensuring an immersive driving experience. Even in colder weather, the built-in heating features keep you cozy. When it's time to recharge, it offers rapid charging capabilities, enabling a 10% to 80% charge in just 18 minutes using direct current fast chargers. It delivers impressive performance, striking design, and advanced features at an enticing value, with a starting price of only $61,000 US. Ranked at number 4, the Audi e-tron GT is a sporty electric luxury sedan that embodies Audi's commitment to innovative design and electrifying performance. Equipped with dual synchronous electric motors and a 93 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 469 horsepower or 522 horsepower in boost mode. Its front single-speed and rear 2-speed automatic transmission work in harmony with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. With a top speed of 152 miles per hour and a range of up to 238 miles, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 3.9 seconds, while comfortably accommodating 5 passengers. The Audi e-tron GT commands attention with its distinct exterior design, featuring matrix design LED headlights and optional laser lights with X-frame trims. Complementing its stylish appearance are the standard 20-inch double-spoke bicolor wheels. Step inside and the virtual cockpit Plus provides essential information at a glance, ensuring full control for the driver. Charging it is a breeze. taking just 22.5 minutes to charge from 5% to 80% using a public direct current fast charger. The vehicle can handle charging power of up to 270 kilowatts in DC. With its impressive power, range, and striking design, it exemplifies Audi's commitment to sustainable mobility while delivering an exhilarating driving experience, priced at $104,900. At number 3, we have the Taycan Turbo S, an exceptional all-electric sports vehicle that embodies the essence of Porsche. Sharing the same twin permanent magnet synchronous motors as other 4S, Turbo, and GTS models, the Turbo S offers a consistent all-wheel drive system, balancing efficiency and dynamic performance. With an impressive output of 750 horsepower, it can achieve a range of up to approximately 291 miles. It also boasts a maximum speed of approximately 162 miles per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds, thanks to its 2-speed transmission. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S captivates with its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, featuring a dynamic flyline that exudes elegance and sportiness. The rear design showcases a seamless light strip and the iconic Porsche logo crafted from 3-dimensional letters, emphasizing its distinctive identity. Inside the vehicle, the advanced cockpit and interior blend soulful design elements with state-of-the-art comfort and technology, ensuring a captivating driving experience. It represents the pinnacle of electric sports car performance, showcasing Porsche's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering exhilarating driving dynamics in the realm of sustainable mobility, with a starting price of $194,000. From accessible electric sports car models, we now move on to more exciting luxury entries for this part of our list. Ranking at number 2 is the Lotus Evija, proudly representing the world's first fully electric British hypercar. This extraordinary vehicle is equipped with 4 independently controlled high-power density electric motors, unleashing an astounding maximum of 1,972 horsepower and reaching a top speed of 280 miles per hour. Its power is managed by a single-speed automatic transmission, delivering an exhilarating driving experience through its 4-wheel drive system. With a range of approximately 250 miles, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The Lotus Evija's allure extends beyond its impressive performance figures. Its design captivates with a stretched, carbon fiber bodywork that appears as if it's been expertly shrink-wrapped over its mechanical components. The concept of porosity in its design optimizes high-energy airflow to the rear, effectively reducing drag by countering low pressure behind a car. Step inside a cabin, and you'll be met by a harmonious blend of functionality and comfort, reflecting Lotus's attention to detail. Notably, it boasts the world's first main and dipped beam laser lighting technology in a car, further enhancing its unique appeal. Its price definitely reflects its exclusivity and craftsmanship, starting at around $2.3 million. If you enjoy our videos and wish to see more informative content every week, you can support us by visiting the link on screen or clicking the link in the description box below. We're grateful for all of your support. Finally, stealing the show with the #1 spot is the record-breaking Rimac Nevera, an extraordinary all-electric hypercar crafted by Croatian manufacturer Rimac Automobili. This awe-inspiring machine boasts an incredible 1,914 horsepower, propelling it to a maximum speed of 258 miles per hour, with a mind-boggling acceleration of just 1.74 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Its unrivaled power is harnessed through 4 independent surface-mounted, carbon sleeve, permanent magnet electric motors, with each wheel driven independently by its dedicated electric motor, ensuring precise torque distribution. The Rimac Nevera has cemented its place in automotive history, shattering an astounding 23 world records in the industry. Indeed, its performance is matched by its striking appearance and purposeful design. The monocoque core provides a lightweight yet incredibly strong foundation, while Rimac's signature necktie design ensures both form and function are harmoniously integrated. Inside, a minimalist and spacious cockpit embodies the essence of sportiness, performance, and elegance. With production limited to only 150 models, each Nevera is a unique masterpiece, offering a wealth of personalization options. As the embodiment of Rimac's relentless pursuit of electric performance, it represents the pinnacle of electric hypercars and sets a new standard for the future of high-performance automobiles. This car's extreme exclusivity, groundbreaking performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship make it valued at $2.2 million. Which of these electrifying sports car has captured your imagination? Did we cover all the models you had in mind? Or is there a hidden gem you'd like to share? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and let us know which electric sports car you'd love to drive someday. We'll be sure to reply to the first few comments.